Oh man, what a messy day. Got the snow front coming in. Right now it's raining. But anyhow, I just got off work. Today I'm going to run the final test. No need to run anymore because I'm pretty sure I'm going to need a microphone. But anyhow, today's settings are wind with high processing. And from the test I've seen before, it's going to be muffled, so I know I'm not going to like it. But anyhow, got to try it to see. So, here we go. We'll see how it sounds. Again, this is wind setting with high processing. How's it sound? A lot of noise? No noise? What? Got a traffic jam up here. I hate working at the bottom of this place. Trucks. This side of the highway for. This is the divided road. Anyhow, how's it sound? Muffled? A lot of noise? Can you even hear me? I'll roll the windows down in a minute so you get the actual wind in the car. Dreary day. Like I was saying earlier, from all reports I've seen on YouTube already, this particular setting, the wind setting, never sounds good. It always sounds really, really muffled. It is. Got to find out for yourself. Alright, almost back up to speed. Got to take a phone call. Sorry about that. That's the fan off. Let's turn the fan back on. That should give you a test of the wind setting because it's only about 1.5 feet away from the vent. But just to see, let's roll down the windows. Alright, there's both windows down. Can you hear me? I'm talking a little louder because it's louder in the car. Can you hear me? Is there a lot of wind noise? Alright, windows are back up. Man, it's cool out today. I know it's not like up north, but down here it's cool. They really wasted a lot of time and money. They knew rain was going to come in first, and they salt brined the road. Now the rain's done washed most of it away. Alright, again, this is heat fan off. Like I said, I've got the GoPro sitting about 1 foot away from my heat vent, my defrost vent. So that ought to give you a sound of what wind's going to sound like. Man, messy, messy, messy. You can see I need a wiper on the right side. Not making good contact anymore. The thing is, I hate wasting money on expensive wipers because you buy the things, and I rain-x my windows really good on the outside, so I don't really need a wiper. But when I do need it, it's so far and long in between when I do use it, and when I do use it, it doesn't work. It's like it's not making good contact anymore or something. Good? Let's sit there. Let him go. He didn't want to go. Well, this is almost going to conclude the test. I'm not up to speed anymore. Basically in traffic mode. But how's the sound? I won't know till I get home and check the video and the recording, the audio. Like I said before, I've got a pretty good feeling it's not going to sound that great. But I mean, for these little cameras, basically all you're really using them for is video anyway. Unless you do buy an external mic. You know, the little camera, you can't get so much into it. Like, it's not like my DSLR, my 7D. You know, I can pretty much put it anywhere and it sounds pretty good. So, I'll just have to get an external mic, I feel, if I keep the GoPro. I might return it, I don't know. But anyhow, what do you think? Do you hear a lot of noise like we did yesterday? Is it clear? Wind? This is with the fan back on. Is kind of noisy, but outside of the noise coming from the fan, you actually hear the wind because this is the wind setting. Back home. Tell you, today's a messy day. I don't know how people up north put up with this kind of weather. It's just so dreary, and it's going to snow. They're calling for 6 to 8 inches here, and then 12 degrees tomorrow night, which will be Sunday morning, and then 6 degrees the day after that. I am not a cold weather person, not by any stretch of the imagination. But anyhow, that concludes today's audio test. Like I said, I probably won't do another one just because I'm pretty certain that the wind is not going to work for me. I'll probably just get an external mic for the car and mount it here. And then whenever I do mount to the outside of the car or something, I'll put a piece of tape over the microphone and do a voiceover or something. But anyhow, the GoPro camera itself is a great little camera. I didn't really think I was going to like the voice activation, but it turns out that I really like it. Like me driving down the road with both hands on the wheel and turn it on and off, and then while in video mode or not in video mode, I can actually tell the GoPro to take a camera burst or a single photo without ever taking my hands off the wheel, which is pretty cool. Yeah, you have to talk a little loud to turn it off and on when you're going down the road because of background noise and whatnot, but I mean, what can you expect? It's just a little camera. So that concludes this test. I hope some of y'all might have got an idea of what you can expect out of yours. And if you like the video, let me know. If you have any comments on what you'd like to see or what I could do better, let me know, because I'm trying to get better. Like I said, I'm not good in front of a camera. I'm more of a behind the camera type of person. But anyhow, give it a thumbs up if you like it. You know, everything's appreciated, and like I said, comments are always welcome, especially constructive criticism. I'm trying to get better, so. But anyhow, yeah, you all be careful out there.